Guys, something so embarrassing happened to me. The security alarm thing in actually went off and I walked out. Oh my god, everyone was looking at me. I think my face looks like I steal, bro. Anyways, then I went to Mug and Bean, had a look at the menu as if I was going to be buying something different when I know I always take the same food at Mug and Bean. I still love you, Mug and Bean. See you next week again, same time. And you know what? I didn't even get to finish my food because my son needed to poop. And then after that, everything went downhill. And I ended up takeawaying food and I didn't even eat it there. And we went to Freedom Adventure Park. Yo, I had the time of my life. It was so fun. I was jumping. I didn't even care about the kids. I was worried about myself. As long as I was enjoying myself because I mean, I paid to come in there. And I had the time of my life. It was amazing. It was actually my son's birthday. And this is the only way I know he wants to celebrate it, is by doing something fun. And then there I was like tired already. I wanted to go home and I wanted to eat now because my food was waiting for me. I couldn't even eat now in the car because my kids were there, and I know if I eat in front of them then I have to share. And I was like, nah, I'm not doing that. So I waited actually for them to go sleep that night before I could eat and eat my cheesecake in peace. Mug and Bean, your cheesecake is always and will always be the one. And the only person who can make your cheesecake is my grandpa.